Passport renewal got you feeling like you're in uncharted territory? Have no fear, because I am here to help you navigate through the process hassle-free so you can jet off to your dream destination in no time. Hi, my name is Marina and this is How to Renew a Passport. The 5 steps for passport renewal include 1. Get your photo taken. 2. Complete the DS-82 form on the U.S. Department of State website. 3. Submit your previous passport. It must have been issued within the last 15 years. 4. Write a check. You know they want your money. And 5. Put it in the mailbox. It's that simple. Let's go into more detail though, just so everything is perfectly clear. Step 1. Get your photo taken. This is probably the easiest step out of all of them. All you need to do is take a 2x2 color photo with a white background of your face. Just make sure you follow these guidelines for the best image. The photo needs to be in color, should be taken within the last 6 months, must be a clear image of your face. Do not edit the photo using AI or any kind of app or software. No selfies. Sorry, ladies. Don't wear your glasses in the picture and use a white blank background. If you don't want to DIY your passport photo so you have peace of mind that you're doing it correctly, you can also go to your local Walgreens and they will take care of everything for you. All I did was walk in, ask for my passport picture to be taken, pay about $20 total for 2 copies to be printed, and then I left. The whole process took less than 10 minutes, and honestly, getting myself ready for my photo to be taken was the longest part.
Could be better, could be worse.
Step 2. Complete the DS-82 form. Nobody likes paperwork, and honestly, I was procrastinating this part the most. But once I eventually sat down and did it, I realized it wasn't that bad. The DS-82 form can be found and printed off of the U.S. Department of State website, which I have linked below in the description. This form is fairly simple and mostly contains personal questions such as your given name, birthday, and contact information. Pro tip, have your old passport with you while you fill out this form because there's a section asking for your previous passport information, like passport number and issue date. But don't forget to sign the form at the end and only use black ink pen. Once all your information is accurately filled in, you are done with this step and on to the next. Step 3. Submit your previous passport. This step just mainly requires you to have your passport with you and make sure you mail it with the DS-82 form. If you don't submit your old passport, it can hold up your application process. Also, you want to make sure that your passport has been issued within the last 15 years in order for it to be a renewal. Step 4. Write a check. Traveling is an expensive hobby, and unfortunately, it starts with the renewal fees. For just a standard passport book, it is an application fee of $130. This amount of money will get you the regular processing time, which varies, but can be up to about 3 months. I've honestly heard longer wait times, so this isn't the worst. If you want to expedite your passport renewal, that is an additional fee of $60. I chose to expedite my passport because I'm impatient and this should bring the wait time down by a few weeks. And last but not least, step 5. Put it in the mailbox. Now that you're all done with the form, photo, and money, all that's left is actually mailing out your renewal application. You can do this by putting everything in your old passport, check, application, and photo in a large envelope and mailing everything out to these addresses, depending on where you live and if you want the standard or expedited service. I simply went to my local post office and they were very helpful and mailed my application out for me. I just needed to remember to include all of the items needed for my renewal. Congratulations! You have successfully renewed your passport by mail. And now you just wait. But here's the tip. You can actually track your package and renewal status at the passportstatus.state.gov website. You can also track your package through the tracking number you will receive when you mail out your application. And that's it! I hope this video was super helpful for what may seem like a daunting process. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for continued guidance throughout the whole passport renewal process. And now it's time to put your stamp on the world. Thanks for watching!